Well, that's my new purchase. This is a Mad River 13-foot square back canoe. That's what the woodwork looks like right about now. Kind of scary, isn't it? It should clean up though. Yeah, it's Kevlar too. This is back in the day, this was a really nice canoe. And I think I can clean it up and make it a nice canoe again. Look at that. Can you read that down there? 1988. This is a 1988 Mad River 13-foot Kevlar canoe that I just picked up. And I'm going to clean up this woodwork and paint the exterior. Although the boat doesn't, you don't have to do anything to it right now to use it, but I'm going to clean it up. The previous owner built that seat for it and installed 2 new seats and new gunnel and rub rail. So there you have it. Hope you're having a great day. Well, good morning, sports fans, or should I say Water Tribe. Are you with me, Water Tribe members? I am in my latest purchase, my Mad River Kevlar canoe. So anyway, we got a cold front coming, so it's kind of gray out here today. We've got some northeast wind, and I just wanted to put it in the water, make sure it didn't leak. It doesn't leak, and it sure is lively, I'll tell you that. So more about it later. Let me go have some fun with the flora and fauna of my beautiful home. Hope you guys are having a great day. Tucked away here behind a oyster mound in the mangrove, so this kind of gets us out of the wind. You can see the wind on the water right 10 feet from where I'm sitting, but no wind here. It's like sheet glass here. So we can sit here and be quiet and just enjoy the day. Just enjoy the day the Lord has made. We can rejoice and be glad in it. And that's really what He wants us to do, is to enjoy the day, to rejoice and realize that if we're breathing air through our lungs, if you're able to listen to me and see me and talk and hear, then it's a blessed day. The only thing that's going to be better is when we stand in His presence. And that could be any day, it could be any moment. You do realize that, right? Any moment, He could come for us. So we need to be ready. How do you get ready? How do you prove you're ready? Like Paul says, rejoice in the Lord always. And again, I'll say it, rejoice. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day, y'all.